You find something? Mom, look at him. He's just like tackling it. You find him.
There's a broom. Oh yeah, I think. Oh no, he didn't get it.
Oh, I missed the picture.
You got one thing out.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh, there's still another one in there.
Here, Bronco.
I gotta put some of these on the floor. Oh, that's a phone. You want this, bud?